Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Beauty and the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping in and clicking on the video. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I know you guys are wondering right now what happened to the frizz, but one thing that you'll have to know about me is that anytime I have the opportunity to get into character or dress up or role play, anything like that, I'm all over it. So today I will be channeling my inner Megan Thee Stallion and inner Cardi B. And you know, I think we all have a little bit of them inside of us, so why not bring them out for a few? If you're into pop culture at all, you'll know that Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion released a very risque song and video called WAP. I'm not gonna talk about what that stands for, but I will link the video so you can just look that up on your own time and make sure there's just adults in the room. But even though it's not my favorite song, I absolutely loved the looks that were in that video. The fashion, the makeup, the sets, they were just really on point. So today I'm gonna create two looks inspired by the video. If this sounds like something that you are interested in and you want to see what I create, keep on watching this video. Don't forget to leave some comments in the comment section and definitely consider subscribing to my community. And let's get started. Okay, so like I was saying, this video had a lot of really cute looks. I did recreate the look Cardi B wore when she wore the Rose Decadence palette by McGrath in a previous video. And I just love all the looks in that video. We had snakes, we had white tigers. There was a mysterious hallway of rooms. There was a dance scene where Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion had like that slick, wet and wavy hair and they were dancing in the water. But my favorite scene was the set in the video that was a neon yellow or lime green and purple situation, and it actually gave me an X-rated Dr. Seuss type vibe. There were like poles with the purple and neon wrapped around. I mean, it just, that scene was everything. Cardi had on the neon yellow. She had a wig with purple and green. Megan wore purple and she had a light purple wig that had a little bit of light blue in it. And they had on these like corsets. And then the background dancers had on the purple and the neon wigs. And it just was, I really liked it. I don't know what it was about it, but that was like, yeah, I really like that. So I'm gonna recreate the two eye looks that the ladies had on in the video. So we are first starting with Megan Thee Stallion. And oh, I forgot to tell you what I'm gonna be using to create the looks. Hold on, I need to go get them. I'll be right back. Okay, so as I was saying, I knew I wanted to recreate the looks from that green and purple scene. And as soon as I knew I wanted to do that, I already knew what eyeshadow palettes I was gonna need because they just have everything in them. I didn't even have to like research this at all. So the first eyeshadow palette I'm gonna be using is the Tiny Marvels palette, which recently dropped. It's the collaboration between, I was about to say Megan Thee Stallion. It's a collaboration between Mel Thompson and Sydney Grace. So just to review, I did do a review on this palette, but yes, some of the colors I know I'm going to be using is this green mantis here for sure, probably flutterby. I'm definitely going to be using fire butts. So this is definitely a good one to help recreate the looks. And the second palette I'm going to be using is the Mothership 8 Divine Rose 2. I'm definitely gonna be dipping into Skin Show Rose Opal, VR Extraterrestrial, maybe a little bit of Rose Seduction, definitely Extreme Burgundy. So I'm just really excited to put these together. And I will be popping up some pictures throughout the video. Hopefully I've popped some up already to just show you some of the scenes from the video, but I'm hoping to find one that's gonna show you a close-up of the eye looks that I'm recreating. And yeah, I just wanna transform into like, I mean, a background dancer at best in the video, because Lord knows what Megan and Cardi were doing in that video, I'm ill-equipped, okay? So, are we ready to go? Let's get started on Megan's look, and then I'll be back to do Cardi's. All right, let's go.
Sure we had fun tonight, you and me felt alright, but it's time you pick up your phone. You don't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah, yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been through hurt before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to now hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart. Share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart. Give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I've been through hurt before. I've been through hell and more.
Okay guys, so this is the final look for Megan Thee Stallion. I definitely want to know what you think about how I did with this transformation. So if you just compare it, ooh, this hair is just not doing, okay, there we go. So yeah, I really like this look. I probably didn't even need to use the Divine Rose palette. I probably could have used Flutterby and Bugaboo from Tiny Marvels and just completed the whole look from the Tiny Marvels palette. But yeah, I really like this look. Now, just so you know what else is on my face, for bronzer, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in the shade Tan. And for blush, I used the new Hourglass, it's called, I think it's Ambient Flush. I used that. And then for lips, all you need is like a dark pink, this isn't really pink, but yeah, it's kind of a dark pink lip liner. And then I just took this Pat McGrath Divine Rose gloss, and I thought that was a nice compliment. And I think that's all that's on my face for the look. So definitely let me know what you think. Stuff like this is like really, really fun for me. Yeah. So I'm actually waiting for my Amazon delivery because my Cardi wig and Cardi shirt is not here yet. So I am waiting for that, but you won't have to wait. So Cardi is coming up next. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Now, this is my wig for Cardi. I actually have 2 wigs for Cardi. So, in the video, you'll see that she has on a green and purple wig that looks kind of like this. However, this green is way too dark because the green she has is almost like this. But I have 2 wigs, so I was like, I am gonna be wearing them both in the video. So guys, I just wanted to show y'all this one. I'm gonna switch to the other one because I really like how that one looks better. But I just wanted to tell you about the lip. Hold on. You know, I can get into these wigs. I really can. Okay, so let me just tell you about the other things on my face for the Cardi look. For foundation, I use the Pat McGrath foundation. I use that for the Megan look. And for bronzer, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in the shade Tan. Now for blush, I am using this blush by XX Revolution called Quirk. And it looks like this. And for the lips, okay, so since Cardi B likes the Jenner and Kardashian family, I'm using my KKW Beauty pencil. It's just kind of a brownish nude shade. And then of course I have Miss Pat on the lips. This is one of her Opulous lip glosses, and it's in the shade Dreamscape, which I really do like this. And I think that's it. I don't think I talked about highlighter. So now for highlighter, this is my favorite highlighter of all time. This is the Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. I just swipe across all three and put it on, and I really like it because it's just real pretty. That's all I can say. It's not overpowering, it's not glittery, but it just gives you the perfect amount of glow that you need. And I really, really like this one. I got it on sale when Sephora had their sale back in April. I think I've talked about everything that I have on, so I'm gonna switch wigs. And no, now I don't want to switch wigs. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna show y'all the other wig. So I'm gonna switch wigs and we'll get into the next look. Okay, y'all, so here's the second wig. And see, I really love this because this is giving me Little Kim, Crush on You. You know, what was that 96 era? I just love this. Oh, you know what? I could go for this. Okay, y'all, this is the one I'm leaving on. All right, so let's get into the look for Cardi.
Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh,
Sorry, I need a
baby,
little
I
bit
know
of
I
this
turn you
rose
on.
seduction right here.
Hands
Just a
to the
little
sky if you feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands
keep it
to the
like
sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. You can bring. We just
Okay, I'm going to line my eyes off camera and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so once again, I'm wrapping up the video before I show you guys the completed look. It's just how my time is working out these days. It is what it is. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video and hanging out, giving me a little bit of your time. I definitely want to know what you think about these two looks. So leave me some comments in the comment section. Make sure you check out the video WAP so that you know where I got the inspiration for these looks. And yeah, this was a lot of fun. I love stuff like this. As always, make sure that you are taking care of yourself. Make sure that you're talking to yourself nice. Make sure you're staying safe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.